Hi everybody, it's Manfredini, Ace's home expert. I'm going to talk today about extracting a screw that might be stuck inside of a piece of wood or a piece of metal, something that you've stripped and you're not quite sure how to get it out. At the hardware store, you'll find these little screw extractors. These are highly specialized little pieces of hardware that allow you to actually kind of drill out that screw and hopefully back it all out. Now, this is something you have to use in conjunction with either a impact driver, which would be the preferred drill, or you could do a cordless drill as well. The whole idea is that you need to have the control to be able to put pressure on the screw and then back that screw out. So I've set up a couple of examples here of some screws that you can see if you look closely. They're damaged, right? You couldn't get at them with a screwdriver. And what I did is there's a couple of different sizes here that, depending on the screw, you're going to take in, clip into the drill driver like this, and there's a forward and a reverse. So you're going to put it on reverse. The threads are actually the opposite. As you screw it in, it's kind of trying to dive in there to grab onto the screw, and then when it grabs it, like it's tightening itself, it loosens it out as it comes up. So then you drive this in to try and hone out that screw a little bit. Now, I already did this once and I made that little hole. So now I'm going to switch the tip. And if you look at this tip now, it's almost like a little screwdriver, kind of, it's got a little bite to it, that if you put it in there, I'm going to see this size might be, this one is actually too small. I'm going to go with a larger size right here. Okay, and that depends. You want it to kind of fit in there so it grabs. Then, with pressure, you're going to put it down in there, and you're going to push, and you're going to hold with it. It comes out. And it really does work. So if you've got screws that are stuck, and you're like, I have no way to get these things out, go to the hardware store and say, I need a screw extractor kit, and you're on your way. Need more information about other tools that you'd like us to talk about? Just leave a comment below this video.